Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to send disappearing voice messages on WhatsApp on iPhone. Follow these easy steps to easily send a disappearing voice message to your WhatsApp chat. So as you can see right now, I'm in my WhatsApp conversation and here's a send a disappearing or one-time view voice message. To send one-time voice message, first of all, you have to update your WhatsApp app to the latest version. So if you're an Android user, you can follow these same steps. First of all, go to your App Store or Play Store and update your WhatsApp app. And then go ahead and launch your WhatsApp app on your phone and go to a conversation or chat, in which chat you want to send a disappearing voice message. Now at the bottom right here you'll find this microphone icon. Just tap and hold the microphone icon to record your voice. Now record your voice and then you have to lock your voice recording. Just tap and swipe up and here you will see your voice recording successfully locked and you will see this little one icon or enable view once icon. Just all you have to need, just enable this one icon to enable disappearing voice message or view once, and then just tap on send and the voice message will be sent as one-time view or disappearing. So the recipient won't be able to save or download the voice message and the voice message will be automatically disappear after one's view. So this is how we can actually send disappearing voice message on iPhone or Android. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.